In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a laying down calf stretch. So I'm going to be using in this tutorial a thick resistance band. So it's a long, thick resistance band. If you don't have one of these, don't worry. You can use something like a belt or a long towel, and it will do the stretch to exactly the same effect. A little bit of health and safety to go through is that I don't want any of you watching this video to ping yourselves in the face with whatever you're using. And that's why the next couple of steps I'm going to go through are really important. So first things first, I want you to take whatever you're using and put it on the forefoot. So I've not got it on the toes, it's not too high up on my foot, and it's just beneath the toes. Now in this position, if I was going to pull now, what I could do is I could make the band slip and it could hit me in the face. So I'm only going to pull the band once I'm actually laying down. So that looks like this. So I've got the band there, it's in my position. I'm not pulling it at all. I've got a little bit of tension to keep the band in the position. Once I'm now into this position and I've got my hands on my hips, what I can now do is start to pull. And this means that the band's going to stay in the right place. I'm now going to get, and you can see my Achilles and my calf all of a sudden are getting stretched, and my foot is now pointing towards my head or in the position of. And you're going to keep this position for your desired amount of seconds before slowly releasing the tension on the band until you can't feel any tension. And then you can do the next side exactly the same. So we're going to find that forefoot. We're going to create enough tension where it's not going to slip on the foot. And I'll pop it into my hands. And then from here, both feet come on the floor. I'm not pulling at the moment, so watch my foot as I pull on the band. I keep the band in contact with my body, and there you go. You can now see my ankle now pointing more towards the top half of my body and my head. It's in that direction. So you're just going to hold that for your desired amount of seconds. And then once you've done that, again, slowly releasing the band or whatever you're using, and then coming out of the stretch. It's a fantastic stretch for those that have maybe poor mobility, or alternatively someone looking to do just stretches laying down on the floor and they don't want to get up and do calf stretching. They can do it as part of a laying down sequence.